I'm going to create the Afro Buns, one of the predicted Dyson trends for 2026. I'm going to use the Supersonic R and the Corrale. I'm joined by the amazing Isabella today. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, let's do it.
We've already started by shampooing, detangling your hair, and then I used the Dyson Omega leave-in conditioner.
Yeah.
So now what I'm going to do, put your hair into 4 quadrants. So start off by putting my centre line in. And this is just going to really help when we start stretching. My friends would be so jealous of your hair right now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start with medium heat and medium airflow.
Okay.
Really start to get that stretch, and then my final few passes I like to change the heat and the airflow to high and high.
Yeah.
Just for that final pass.
Sure.
Okay. So when I start, I like to start at the ends and work up towards the root. And what that's going to do is make sure that it's all being detangled as well. That's one section done.
Oh wow.
Feels really soft as well, right? So we're going to move on to the next section, and we're just going to work through all your head doing exactly the same thing.
Perfect.
So that's completely stretched. Let's get ready for styling. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take a front triangle section, and then we're going to straighten that to give you that sleek finish. Okay. And what I do is take a clean section straight to that middle part, and I do that on both sides. And what this is going to do is allow me to clip this out of the way. So let's get the buns in.
Let's do it.
So we're going to start on this side. What I'm going to do is first to gather the hair using my fingers, and I'm going to take it to the height that I want it at. Then I like to use the Dyson Detangling comb, and what this is going to do is give me that extra bit of stretch and tension. So then I finish off with a bristle, and what this is going to do is help me get some extra tension before I tie this up.
Okay.
How's it feeling on your scalp?
Yeah, it feels amazing.
The way your hair stretches is unreal. Does it feel tight enough? Would you prefer to go tighter?
No, I think that feels good.
Just going to add some serum to give me that extra sleekness. Have you used the Chitosan before?
I have not. I'd love to try it.
It's really lightweight. I'm going to start using my hands, and I'm going to use the palm and my fingers of my hands just to push that product all the way around. So they're looking great. So we're going to now straighten that fringe area out, okay? So my first pass, I always like to get close to the root and come through slow. And I always like to go twice. And what this does is just gives me that extra bit of polish. Okay, and then I take my next section. What do you think your friends are going to say?
I don't think anyone's ever seen me with straightened hair, so I feel like they're going to first ask if it's a wig.
And see if they recognise you, right? I'm going to use the Post style serum. So come all the way through. Sit these baby hairs down as well. Do our next section. And then I always just like to use the palm of my hands to get in and really smooth that down. And then once we've got the shape there that we want, just pin behind the ear. A great little tip from me is I like to cross my pins over so it holds it into place. So what we're going to do is use the Dyson Omega leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray it into my hands, press this into your puff balls. And why I like doing this is it helps me create the shape that I want to create.
This hairstyle is so cute.
It's lush. Do you think you'd wear it more often?
100%.
And it's easy to do, right?
Yeah.
Have you tried this?
Not yet, no.
I got this like the Dyson secret weapon. So it's called the Dyson Omega Hydrating Oil. And it's really lightweight. So if you put a couple of drops in your hand, with your fingers, it just really helps smooth that down and give it that extra shine and that hydration.
Oh, I love this. So pretty.
And not to waste mine, I'm just going to help press some of the oil into the buns. And there you have it, the Trend Edit 2026 Afro Buns. Do you love it?
I'm obsessed. I did not think my hair could do this, and this is something I'm definitely going to be doing again.
You look stunning. Thank you so much.